to be with. You're okay. Good little man. He just doesn't like to be put down. He's
Don't want mommy.
spoiled.
I'm a spoiled brat.
He's a spoiled brat. That's not good. That's gonna suck for you when I go back to work.
I just leave him outside with the crows.
Yeah, I come home and kill you.
It'll be nice and cold then too.
Get the little man.
So, oh, smack daddy.
The world was ending. It's better now, but it was ending. He's pooping on my shirt. Your shirt. No. It's okay. See, everything's okay. Aww. Heck was that?
No, you don't truck.
Sounds like thunder.
Maybe center or a plane crashed. I don't know.
The second time I've heard it though. Yeah. You're trying to poop, aren't you? He's gonna poop on me. You're trying to poopy, huh? Oh, I'm a little bit tired. Oh, man. Like, Mom, go sit down so I can poop on you. And they have to get back up and change me. I had big poopy this morning.
Yeah. You go sit down or what?
What?
You can't sit down. You just went in front of pee. His eyes are. He's getting sleepy eyes. Oh, I'm not tired. I'm not tired, Mom.
Where
Hold
are
on.
you? Go see. Yeah, go see. It's okay. Oh, I'm so tired. Don't want to go there. I'm tired. I Uber. Yeah, I Uber. It's okay. Sounds like he's trying to poop. Yeah, his face is getting all red. Oh, trying to poop. Oh. And
Yeah, I woke him up.
that is definitely thunder.
Yeah, it's thunder. It's hot as hell outside.
Where the heck is that coming from?
The sky.
No, but like there's no clouds. I'm gonna go look out front.
Okay.